I will continue to bring updates to you Nigerians what is happening in Nepal, Kathmandu. It is very simple and it's very hot. You know, if you're a politician in Nigeria, somebody like Nwike flexing muscle with bloody civilians wearing army uniform or DSS or EFCC, you flex muzzle for the citizens. Just listen and see what is happening in Kathmandu, Nepal. It shall come to you all. Nigerian youths, you know you guys are lazy. I will continue to tell you people these words. Let it sink into your brain. Let you people understand that you are lazy. If you guys give them Nepal treatment or Kathmandu treatment, look at the Minister for Finance. I think they buyed him. And other ministers, their homes, their cars, their businesses, their private homes, they were all destroyed. Even the seat of government, they were all destroyed. This is what is happening in Nepal. And in Nigeria, you guys are flexing muscle. You have MOPO, you have EFCs, you have DSS. When the time reach, you will be fished out. It is high time for you people to start to reason that Kathmandu and Nepal treatment can be repeated in any country. And Nigeria can never be the least. It shall come to pass. The only thing I will remind you people, the way you are packing your money and stealing it and piling it up, thinking that you will never be fished out, the time is coming. The time is near. The time is very, very close. I don't want to call it a revolution. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but it will start like protest. Before armed is before warned. Before warned is before armed. I have warned you, and I believe you have heard me. This video I'm making will remain here forever and ever. If you're a politician in Nigeria thinking that you are them God, you flex muscle, you have money, you have mansions, you have pile up state funds to yourself and to your account and your children. The time is coming when you will not even have the opportunity, the slightest chance to use that money. Even your children will be chased out. This is the only time you animals, have to change from your ways and do what is right. The money you are spending is not your money. It is money from everybody. Don't spend it like you don't have brain. Don't be animalistic in your behavior. Be reasonable and think with your brain. Don't think with your anus. Stop piling money that you do not own. Listen and see what is happening in Kathmandu, Nepal. Nigerians, when they wake up, they will give more than Nepal treatment, and it shall come to pass. If not now, very soon. I don't have much to say. I want to rest my case by advising you people, change your ways. Change your ways and change it now. Don't play.